Myself, Vishal Kukadia. I'm taking care of sales and marketing at Whiteline. Whiteline is something transforming the modern lifestyle with the automation. Automation is considered to be a luxury which is reserved for very few people. Our vision is to make automation is a lifestyle necessity. Automation is always helping you to make all the things in very simple manner at your home, at your work. So it's a B2B and B2C both. So our offerings are for our business partners, and from our business partner we are reaching to our customers. So it's B2B2C.
I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to SVS Enterprise for joining us in this journey. Your partnership has strengthened our mission, and together we are creating something truly special. A platform to showcase what modern automation can offer every Indian household. The automation industry in India rapidly emerging, and while technology is advanced quickly, the most important pillar for the success in this industry is customer knowledge. And I'm privileged that in past 10 years, I'm working with customers very closely, understanding their needs, their challenges, and aspiration for better living.